Hello, YouTubers. This is a second video for today, YouTubers. This is what happened to the pile that we just burned. Okay. Yeah, the fire become down fast because it's so dry. So yeah, Edward is over there. He's continuing burn the other pile, and look at that. See, that's what happened after we burned that a while ago. And here my husband. Are you done?
Almost.
Oh, almost done. Leo, be careful what you're doing there.
Leo, there's lots of ants gonna bite
And
you.
oh no, that's gonna bite you. Come here. Come here.
Lots of ants gonna
This is what happened if you have 5-year-old boy that wants to explore in the jungle. Well, Edward really influenced him to be in the jungle, like a big man. He thought Leonardo like independent boy. Come here. Come here. Oh, this is another pile here too. So yeah, so what I said, this is my second video because I off the first one. I don't want to do too long video. Wow. Daddy works so hard, Leo. Someday you're gonna help him if you become big. Help Daddy to put that together right now. See, YouTubers, you see my son how he's trying to pull pull the grass. Okay, wow, very good. Yes, it's a big pile right there. My son. He's our joy. Don't be too close to the fire. What Daddy holding right now? Which one? There, wow. So I think this is the last one. Okay, Leo, come here.
go, mommy.
See, you see this YouTuber? See, it burned down now. Wow, very quick. I like using. Actually, we like using the propane, that one, because it's burned fast down. Not like using a matches only and the dry leaf of the coconut. It burned like maybe half only, not really like this. You see how really burned down fast. Leo, there's a snake over there. Look at my son. Oh, there's another pile over there. Oh, I didn't see that. Thank you, boy. Come here. Come here. Oh my God. Yes, there's another pile. Okay, you have to tell Daddy. Daddy never hear. Daddy, he said put a fire to the other pile there. Okay, just wait. Daddy is so tired. He's so very commander like his father. My God.